Hey guys, I'm just going to kind of show you just kind of a spreadsheet. This is going to keep you organized. So I created a master spreadsheet. I recommend you download it, bookmark it to your computer, and this is just to keep you on top of things, keep everything in one location, because sometimes when Amazon deletes your designs, the unselling designs, you kind of lose the keywords with it. So you got to keep track of the keywords. So once you re-upload it, you could just copy and paste. So this spreadsheet is going to keep you organized, and I don't think I could live without this. So, okay, so for example, so we start from the left to the right. So we're putting the day's date in there. Let's say you do some research and you've got a good shirt that you want the designer to copy, to improve upon and make it unique. You just do your research there and put the link there, and then mention the niche. So this is Queens are born in July. It could be trademarked, but just use that as an example. But then you can do yes or no. Obviously you'll delete it if it says yes and move on, but it's just kind of make sure you don't forget, basically. So you're going along in a linear process. If you got any notes, maybe you want to tell the graphic designer to use pink fonts, and once you build keywords, you can put it all in these columns and just keep it really all together. Bullet point 1, bullet point 2, and the description. You can put the call to action, buy this shirt now. So then if you want to go for Redbubble and TeePublic, so you can mark it as complete or incomplete. And once you finish, you can just fill in as green, so you can move on to the next. And so basically, you could just fill the reference up with lots of links, put the dates, and then you can just go down the list linearly. Just kind of keep things organized. So I'll put the link in the description. All you got to do is, I guess you got to you press on file in the corner. There we go. Press file, make a copy, and then that's your spreadsheet now. Just give it a minute. There you go. So this is your spreadsheet. You can edit it as much as you want. You can't steal mine, but yeah, make a copy of it. This is yours. So yeah. So the link will be in the description if you want a spreadsheet. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now you can check out some of my products, which is merchautopilot.com. Merch Autopilot is a blueprint to help you with the outsourcing process. So when things get a bit hectic for you, you can go back to having a life again. My next product is merchcomplete.com. It's a pre-made design factory, so it's going to be optimized, trademark checked. So check it out and click in the description below for a free sample.